Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about today's video lesson is communication skills and life skills for third semester students, polytechnic students. Third semester polytechnic students. Today's topic is uh, just a minute. It is called as JAM. JAM stands for just a minute. This program is a very popular program. Once it was a popular program in the UK, United Kingdom. Initially, it is a comedy program which was started by BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. That was a very popular, very funny comedy program was meant for that country. That was gained a lot of popularity all over the UK. Later, we were adapted to enhance communication skills, to develop our communication skills. Here, India, it was initially it was introduced in India 1967 by AIR, All India Radio. So today's topic is, as you are able to see in this slide, just a minute. So objectives of this job, which was started in the UK and is a comedy program. Later it is turned as very popular and to develop communication skills. But coming to objectives of this lesson, give a quick start initiation. It is useful objectives of this quick start initiation. So very important. Quick, we have to start. How we are starting quickly, how we are organizing our ideas, how you are able to present your ideas systematically, sequentially. Coming to next point, improve communication skills. The JAM improves our communication skills certainly. Initially, first day, second day, third day, you may not speak fluently. Go on practicing. If you go on practicing every day must be a jam session. After 1 or 2 months, you will become a fluent speaker. I'm assuring you. So very useful to enhance our communication skills. Very important task. But we have to be practice every day to improve our communication skills. It also improves our thinking abilities. Before we are going to speak, we think of it. We organize our ideas, how I have to speak, what I am going to be speak. This leads to thinking abilities of a person as well as the communications along with the communication skills and quick initiation, how you quickly are starting. This very important. It develops a person's or students thinking abilities. Next, coming to next objective, explore thoughts and ideas. Those who are participating, the students or anyone, they explore their ideas, their thoughts and ideas very much before they think of that particular topic. So very important. This very useful. I suggest all, not only students, everyone, those who are aspiring to improve their communication skills, you better to practice this JAM. Just a minute. There are certain rules also and regulations also there. It is restricted to for 1 minute or less than 1 minute. According to our situation, we can change it. Next, coming to next point, learn the use of body language also important. While speaking, we need some body language, non-verbal communication, improve verbal message and non-verbal body language also, our gesture, our posture of standing. This is a very useful. It conveys a lot of good message some for the people. So body language also improves with along with just a minute. The verbal message also should be good message we can deliver. So there are some things or certain things also there in this communication skills. Just a minute. So just a minute in the just a minute some the sort rules and regulations are also there. We should not repeat the single word as many times. We should not speak with the grammatical. We should not commit grammatical mistakes while speaking. So grammar is this is important. And this a person can challenge also if the spectators audience can challenge the speaker. Here coming to point, just a minute or jam is an impromptu speech test. Impromptu speech test conducted with the time limit. The time limit is there within the restricted time, 60 seconds spare time you have to speak of 1 minute, only 1 minute are very very important. Within that 1 minute you have to speak, and as a student and as a building technocrat, you will be asked to speak on the moment to make presentation. As a building technocrat and building technocrat, you are supposed to speak on given topic 1 minute. You are it's very very important to check your communication skills. So conducted with a time limit is important. As well as some little one more thing here we have to remember while speaking, while participating in the jam session. You should not give more pass. You should not give more pass while you are speaking. Many passes leads to will becomes as breakers that will decrease our fluency. So you should not give more pass and should not repeat mistakes. You should not repeat the same words. Very very important. This is very very important to remember while participating. Just a minute. Just a minute jam is basically a 1 minute or less exemplar speech. Within 1 minute, we explore the speech. How you are speaking, that is carried out without any preparation. Well, yes, without preparation, we have to speak. We are not going to be allowed to prepare much time. Within 1 to 2 minutes, within you have to be organize your ideas. You have to participate in the jam session. Impromptu performances. Your performance will be checked to develop that very very important. So you think you might have understand the students. Very very important. Jam is very very important. Not only the students, everyone, those who wants to develop their communication skills, they have to be participate in jam session. They have to be time according to, they have to speak according to time allotted time, that is 16 minutes. We can change as per our convenience. We can extend its time to for 2 minutes also. If you think so, that's 1 minute is not enough. After getting proficiency, if you go after gathering a lot of information, when an organizer feels that this is not enough, time is not enough, you can extend it up to 2 minutes. But basically, jam is a 1 minute program. But students are supposed to be utilize the full 1 minute time. They are not supposed to be complete before 1 minute. In any speech, we have to be think a good beginning is good ending is very very important. Good beginning For I think if you divide it in 60 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds for a good beginning, or 5 to 10 seconds for good ending conclusion. The remaining related to content, what you are, the subject you are speaking. That's very very important. In JOM is very very important for the interviews for selection of jobs especially. The corporate companies adapted this program to analyze their upcoming employees' skills, their proficiency, their organizing ideas, their thinking power, everything. Before recruiting, they will organize these things. Here, significance and importance of coming to next point, significance and importance of this JOM. In the JOM, a candidate can be judged and selected in every short time, and the probability of success, in the interview could be decided by his performance in this JOM's round. A candidate can be judged whether the candidate is a right candidate for right job or not with a JOM session. In every short time, within a very short time, we can judge the person's what extent his communication skills are good, how he is able to work, how he is able to shoot for our job company. The probability of success is very very important. What extent he will be success after getting job. The interview also, it could be decided on the performance of the person in the round while the JOM round. So it's a very significant part of very important part of recruiting employees. The multinational companies adopt this JOM. So to improving communication skills, a person every day he has to be participate in the JOM session. At least he has to gather with his friends and select their convenient topic and they have to conduct. But here one timekeeper is one person has to act as a timekeeper. He will check the time after 15 minutes. He has to give a small knock. He has to give indication. Remaining 10 seconds he has to conclude the topic. The person has to conclude, those who are participating in the JOM. So JOM is important. First 10 minutes a person may use for introduction. The middle 40 seconds may be about the topic, and third part for 10 seconds may use for conclusion. It's a very very important. Based on the need, the JOM sessions are organized. Based on needs, the companies are organizing the JOMs. Whether the huge people are there, the jobs are more and many competitors are there. Before they conduct JOM, and then later they will conduct the written examination, written test. But they're based on their job scenario, job organization, they will check. Most of the jobs, initially they conduct a written test, but they will be shortly listed from the written test people, from written test people. Then they will select some people for interview. For that people, the people will conduct for the JOM. The test eliminate the more number of people. It's very very important. The jobs are less and candidates are more. To elimination purpose, JOM is very useful. How candidates are good, who are the eligible persons for that kind of jobs. I've laid the importance of JOM. Is increasing day to day. Nowadays, JOM session, JOM importance is increasing day to day. Here, you have to remember, JOM is must for the candidates, those who are going to be attend for an interview. So you might have understand the situation. In the present scenario, it is very commonly used by the recruiters of numerous companies as a part of recruitment process. The number of companies they recruit their employees with conducting JAM and written examination interview. But JAM is the compulsory. It is a trend. Every company they follow this to check their employees' communication skills, organization skills, and thinking skills. The way they are reacting for the spontaneity. The spontaneity is very very important for to participating in a job session. Numerous companies, number of companies are part from this is a very very important. The part of their organization. The job is. So, through the a job is a recruiter tests a candidate's communication skills. With the job, what will they check? Communication skills. Overall presentation skills. Overall, how they are presenting, how the person has command over the on the topic, they will check it. Comes under there are body language also one part in the job session. They'll check confidence of the person, their body language, their eye contact, how is bold, how is looking at his opponent people, audience. The eye contact is more important for the confidence level, body language also. These three points are going to be checked in the jam session. I think students may understand. What will they check in the jam session? Body language, presentation skills, and confidence. Communication skills, presentation skills, body language, and confidence, eye contact. Check. First of all, communication skills, presentation skills, body language, confidence, eye contact. These points are most important. There are five. These five are very very important. How you are good at communication, how your presentation skills are, how your body language is, how you are confident about the job, how your eye contact, this eye contact how you are colloquial, how you are able to mingle with the new persons. We can the recruiter came to know with your eye contact, how your confidence level, and your team spirit, teamwork skills also came to know with your eye contact. Ability to think of the test, the feet, how you are thinking of at a time, ability to think of the feet. Immediately, the spontaneity is important. Ideas generation is important. Idea generation is important. Prioritization important. Which is important, which is unimportant, we can came to know. So, prioritization, idea generation is important, and sequencing of ideas. Sequencing how you are keeping one point after other point, how you are speaking, whether it is sequentially orderly or not. Ideas to be displayed, logical thinking. In the logical thinking, one point after other point, you have to think. Thinking and is the ability to connect with the panel. So this is very important. What will they check? Presentation skills, communication skills, body language, confidence, eye contact, and thinking capacity. Thinking at a pose, thinking of a pose on the feet, spontaneity in thinking. Idea generation is important. Prioritizing is about the things also important, and sequencing of ideas, how you are one by one organizing. The logical thinking also very very important. So to perform well in a job session, candidates must be fluent. If a person wants to perform well in a interview and a job, he must be fluent. First of fluency is must. Erudite and articulate. This is very very important. Their literature, their capacity in the speaking is very very important. Their articulation is important. The fluency is important for the candidate who are going to participate. in the jam session. They are suggested to prepare and practice well. They are suggested to prepare and practice well in advance. So to be success in jam session, we have to prepare well in advance. If we prepare some topics, if the topic is, if you get again the topic in the next, anytime you in the jam, you can speak well rather than without practice. The practicing will become good speaker. So it is suggested to prepare very well in advance for anticipating topics. Some topics you have to be uh, you have to be prepared. We can anticipate the some topics, important topics in the day-to-day life, the current affairs, the historical points, and gender equality, and many things are there. Technology and latest social media. These are the trending things you have to be prepared. Practice well and advance so that prompt 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 speech is comes out only to be spontaneity impressive. Speech promptness is spontaneity only impressive. While many of us do not like the speak before, many of us generally everyone man hesitate to speak in front of the new people. We hesitate to speak. Not we if someone opens, we open up. So many of us, see, including everyone, students, lecturers, maybe people, those who once a person may open up, remaining will be open. Or else we are not interested. We are not. We hesitate to speak something before other people. This is a one trend of psychology of the persons. Person maybe think of it. They feel that they feel that they are not confident. There are times when we are asked to get and say few words about someone or a topic. If we are saying some words about person or topic, when we asked to get up and say a few words, we get up and say something on the person about someone or topic when we have not planned on saying anything at all. Someone on a topic when we have not planned on anything, saying anything at all. So speak before people, think before speak. That's important. Many of us. So we are supposed to be practice very good. This is important. Topic is important. Okay. Next, coming to next point. Uh, Coming to next point, we are more shocked. We are more shocked than anyone else. We are more shocked than anyone else. Perform the job. Next point is coming. Friend, come. We are more shocked than anyone. Continuation of this session. We are more shocked than anyone else. Has this ever happened to you? So perform this job. Next, people will. While many of us like to speak before other people, many times when we are asked to not get up to say a few words, stand up and get something, we are hesitate. We feel hesitate. Few words about the someone or a topic. When we ask to get up to say a few words about someone or a topic, or when we are not planned or saying anything, I'm not planned, I'm not prepared, we feel that. So here we are more shocked than everyone else. Has this ever happened to you? If anyone in the meeting or someone to call, immediately we feel shock. Has this ever happened? Ever you happened this any time? If and when this does not happen to you? Is it happy to you? Be prepared to rise to the challenge. You have to be thorough, and you have to, if anyone throws challenge, be ready for that preparation. The following are the steps to be taken for effective jam session. The first step is to be background and gather all necessary ideas. Gather all necessary ideas. So all the necessary ideas to be related to the topic given. They have to gather under the topic, how you have to plan and organize what you are going to speak, and which is first one, next, and the so on you have to organize. Here related topic is very important. Once you gather all the necessary ideas, organize them in a sequential order. First you have to be keep them into sequence order, then you have to be very good for that is very good for preparation, for presentation, or participating in a jam. Chronologically or thematically, you have to be ordering chronologically, thematically, and then express them with clarity is very important. You have to organize them chronologically, theme wise, and then you have to express the clarity is important. The cohesiveness is very important. What extent it is related, that is important. Three important rules to be followed in the jam session. There are three important rules to be followed in the jam session. What are they? You have to find. One is no deviation. While speaking on topic, you should not deviate from the topic. You have to be organize your ideas. Don't be plunge into, don't go through for any topic while speaking one topic. How to stick for the topic only. You are not supposed to be deviate from the topic. For instance, if you are speaking on education or the importance of education for women, you have to be speak that only, but you should not go for any other topic. That's if you take any population, the population is only you have to stick it on only population topic. If you are speaking on gender equality, you have to speak just, but you are not supposed to go for another topic. The next, no repetition. Very important point is the rules to be no deviation. Second point is repetition. You should not repeat the same points, the same words, go on again and again. This is not good for the job. And no hesitation is important. If anyone is asked to speak something, you should not hesitate to speak it. You have to 3 points is no deviation, no repetition, no hesitation. These are 3 important steps to be followed in the while participating in the jam session. But some coming to next point is tips for an effective jam session. Where there are many tips are there. I would like to tell you very important. The techniques are very important for the students. So what are the techniques you have to adapt to become a successful person? Be ready to speak in any given situation. If anyone asks you to speak, you have to speak. That's all. You don't hesitate to speak. I'm not prepared. I'm not I'm not good at all now. I'm not feeling. This is wrong. Be ready to speak. Whatever whenever you asked you have to speak what you know. That's all. You have to generate ideas based on your previous knowledge and content. You have to organize ideas and then you speak it on the situation, given situation only. You should not prolong it. You should not escape from it. So if you speak, that is at a stroke, spontaneously, whenever you ask to speak, that's good. You'll be successful in the career. Next, be confident and prepare mentally. Certainly, what I have to speak and I can speak well, you feel confidently. Or else I don't know something, I cannot speak. These kind of attitude is wrong. This is not useful for becoming a speaker. Be confident. I can speak, whatever it may be. I can do this. I can prepare. You have to prepare mentally. Whenever someone asks to me to speak something, I have to, whatever I know, I can speak fluently. That's all. Whether it is right or wrong, whether it is positive or negative, but you go on to speak. That's all. Fluency is important. Start with a smiling face. The smiling face is very, very important. The starting session in any jam session. Hello friends, welcome to today I would like to speak on the topic. The fluency is very important. Smiling face. Hello friends, very good afternoon, very good afternoon, good evening. This is smiling face. So without smiling face, I think you should not grab the attention of the audience. Speaking is very, very important. The speaking fluency is important. Be confident. So next, start speaking in an even face. If anyone asks to speak with them, you go and start it immediately, or else don't. If anyone asked, immediately you should speak on face. Don't take any kind of passes or don't skip advantage for anything. Hence, the students might have understand the intention of the effective communication skills, how we have to be adapt, what are the situations we have to adapt to, how we should not, they came to know about that we should not deviate from the topic, we should not repeat the things, we should not hesitate to speak. These are the points. Next, coming to next slide, repeating, maintain good flow of sentences. Don't stop while you are speaking, whether it is right or wrong, don't bother about the grammar. Whatever it may be, don't bother about those who are in front of us. If you go on speaking, the fluency is good. You don't maintain the flow is important. The fluency is important rather than the mistakes. If you are able to express some views, you go on express. That is, fluency is important. These type of sort of communication skills will develop. Whether they are speaking good or not, whether they are speaking right or wrong, these English medium schools are trying to inculcate these things. And speaking at spontaneity. Spontaneity is very important. Maintain the good flow of thoughts is important. Use positive and appropriate vocabulary while you are speaking. You have to use the friends. Sorry for interruption. Sorry for interruption. That's very important. Again, I am joining with you. Be ready to speak. If anyone is given the situation, be confident and be prepared mentally. Very important. Start with a smiling face. Whenever you speak, you are speaking. Smiling face is very important. Start speaking in an even face. Maintain a good flow of sentences. How your flowing is a flow of speech is very important. You continue with use positive and appropriate vocabulary. Use positive. So don't think about in a negative way while you are speaking. Go adapt the positive thinking and choose the vocabulary you are in the positive vocabulary, appropriate vocabulary according to the situation. Follow a sequential order. First one is first and second one second. The you follow it. The sequential order to participate in a job. Job is this is very important. Utilize every opportunity. Whenever you go on speaking, you utilize every opportunity to speak something. If you get an idea, you go on speaking it without deviating it. If you didn't remember a point, you don't bother about it. You go, whatever the points you have to go on, continue it. But our opportunity is very important. If you very important to speak. Be creative and express new ideas. While speaking, think in a creative manner to express your ideas. The creative is very important. Maintain a good body language. Body language also very good, very important. Be cautious of time. If the stipulated time, given time is 1 minute, you have to be conclude within 1 minute. You should not stop within 30 seconds, or you should not stop in 20 seconds. You should not try to exceed the 1 minute also. Be make yourself, make your mind to complete the ideas to be within 1 minute. If you make a plan to speak on a jam session, better to give a good beginning is important. Give a brief introduction of the topic, then you go for your whatever you knows, whatever you wanted to speak, but later you try to spare 5 to 10 minutes to for giving a good conclusion. The conclusion is very useful to mold your speech. So handle mental blocks uh, smartly. If sometimes we while we are speaking we will get some sort of blacks, you go through it and go, okay, let me say something. You go on thinking. Don't bother about something. Man has to be think of 500 to 530 words in a minute, but he can speak 150 words only. These are the due to how a person is, how many mental blocks are getting. So you have to think of it. You go for the next point. Control on our speech also important. Control your speech. What you are speaking, what you are not, what you are supposed to speak, what you are not supposed to speak. Presenting both sides in case of controversial topics. If it is a controversial topic, you have to be say something about positive and something into negative, but be balanced. You should not be a single side. Maintain balance is important. So uh, do's and don'ts during the jam session. These are very important in the jam. There are many do's. Coming to do's, be ready to speak in any situation, any given situation. If you are in the class, you are supposed to speak on some content. You have to speak. If you are on the way, speak 1 minute on the given topic. You go start that speak topic. For given topic, be ready. Be ready. Readiness is important to speak. Next, brief. Be brief and to the point. We should not be lengthy. Your speech is not should be lengthy, but be brief and speak on the topic, on the point only. You should not speak unnecessary points in our uh, jam session. In the jam session, be cautious of time. So time limit is, but you have to better to check your watch while you are speaking, and you have to be give conclusion. You have to maintain the time. Within 1 minute you have to give conclude your speech, what you are speaking. Without conclusion, if you stop, it means you are not maintaining time. You spare, you have to think of it, how many points I have can speak within 1 minute. But you speak that points only, then you conclude. The conclusion is important. Or else you without conclusion, if you stop your speech abruptly, that's not a good speech. That you consider as not, you are not a good organizer. You are not a fluent speaker. You are not. You are not. You are feel. They feel that you are a poor time manager. If you conclude before the 1 minute, the interviewers feel that you didn't have an idea about that. You are weak at the communication skills. Flow is they feel that you are weak at content subject also. Flow a sequential order. Follow a sequential. Sorry. Follow a sequential order. One point is first is first, and second is second. You go there, follow such a kind of sequence is important. Okay, that is very important. Be cautious of jumbled ideas also. If the ideas will be jumbled, be conscious which is first, which is second. You make frame ideas mentally to speak before. Within mind itself, you have to organize. You are not supposed to give more time. Drag the point also. If you are not able to speak 1 minute or given time, you drag that point until completion of 1 minute and give conclusion. Dragging point is also a good effective communication. With that, sometimes without having idea about the content, but you can speak it. on it. Go on and go on. You have to speak on it. Or else you should not utilize. You should not utilize the 1 minute time. So give too many passes is a wrong. Too many passes is a wrong. So it is a wrong. You should not give the passes. So too many passes is a very wrong. Follow. Okay. Cautious. Next, too many passes is wrong. But give passes and too many passes is wrong. Those. Next, shy away from expressing your ideas. While you are expressing, you should think of it. You have to be ideas. Okay, do not feel shy. If you are speaking something on point, don't feel shy. You have to speak as per content. Whether it is someone may maybe feel it is a person's information, you have to speak it on it. Okay, always be to the point. You should be always be to the point. But you have to be speak on it. Okay, be cautious of time. Be cautious of time. Okay, be cautious of time. Be cautious of time and handle. Be cautious of time and handle mental blocks smartly. These are the do's. And give too many pauses. Shy away from expressing feelings, ideas. Always be onto the point. Coming to don'ts, I would like to say don'ts. What are the don'ts? Don'ts should be, don't be nervous. If you get a topic without a familiar topic, or if you got a topic without, you are not prepared previously the topic, don't be nervous. You start whatever you know, whatever you want to speak, you go on speaking. The fluency is important. Don't be nervous. If anyone is already got the topic, the same topic you are prepared. You have your own ideas and he has his own ideas. You stick for your topic. Don't be nervous for that. Next, don't make grammatical mistakes. This is also important. You don't try to avoid the grammatical mistakes. Don't cut short your sentences. Sometimes you shortcut sentence. What's your name? But shortcut sentence not my name is not, this is not so. So speak lengthy full sentences. You don't make your sentences shortcuts. Okay, avoid grammatical mistakes and avoid shortcuts. Your sentences, don't be blabber. Don't be blabber. You go on be speak fluently. Okay, don't keep silent also. Don't keep silent. Don't give a big pause. Don't give a big pauses and search for thoughts. Giving more gap between the word to word, that leads to be people may not be, audience may not be accept such a kind of speakers. So you whatever you want to speak, you go on speak without giving pauses. But you have to search thoughts. Whatever the thoughts you have, you go on it. Don't use clinches. Clinches means the same method you are gone speaking, same topic you are speaking, same words. Means are clinches. This is called Musa Paddhati in Telugu. So don't be it. Be cautious. Don't use local language phrases also. While you are speaking a national language, international language, official language, if you use the words, the phrases in the local language, the people may be get confused. In which language he is speaking, whether they may not follow you, they may not understand such phrases while the time your speech is not effective, your job is not effective. So don't give room for to mother tongue. You don't give chance to speak mother tongue influence. You have to be stick over the whatever that language you are speaking. If you are speaking in English, you go on continuity speaking. Don't switch over to mother tongue while you are speaking in 1 minute. It leads to you are not confident. You feel that you are not fluent speaker in English. The interviewers feel that. Don't disrupt. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Some students may sometimes be rude while they are speaking. They throw the something articles of what they are holding in their hands. The throwing or it leads to damaged property or hurting someone. This is wrong method of speaking. Whether you are speaking the wrong or someone hesitating, you be control. Don't be rude about the audience. Don't pompous. Some people they used to use the pompous language and verbose without knowing that. Speak a simple English to speak on your job. Don't be verbose or don't be pompous. That's important. The audience understanding is important rather than our what we are speaking. So the better to reduce the pompous and verbose. Don't use flowery language. The language is important which you are speaking. That is the language using in the street side is not good. Don't beat out the bush. That is very important. Why you feel that? Okay. Next, coming to next point. During jam sessions, the interviewer tries to test the following skills of the candidate. Self-confidence. They'll check candidate's self-confidence, how confident is a candidate. And they'll check communication skills also, how a candidate is good at communication skills, whether the person has good communication skills or not. They check it. Important. Spoken English and fluency also they will think of it. Why is speaking fluently? Is English is good? They think of it. Flow of thoughts also. How his thoughts are. The flow of thoughts. How fluently is speaking. The way of thinking is. Thoughts are important. Flow of thoughts. They think. They check. Or else you are giving more passes or your thoughts are not good. You may not be shortlisted. Flow of speech also important. How fluently you are speaking is important without giving breaks and pauses. Coherence also important. The speaking, if you are speaking on content, you are connected to the topic or not. The coherence is important, or rather than that is the spontaneity and general knowledge also sometimes they check how you are spontaneously are speaking and how you have knowledge about that general people is important topic. Time management also important. If you are speaking on topic, you are writing on topic, you should complete within the time is important. That is a job is important. Time management is important given time. Sense of humor also important. Candidates, you need the sense of humor to speak while you are speaking. Posing some questions, jokes are very important. Sometimes you asking some questions or sometimes you maintaining. That is making attentive of the listeners. This is called advantages through job. What are the advantages we have? Still we were discussed about jam, where it was originated, how which purpose it was started, but why we are adapted when it was initiated, adapted for India. The things we were discussed. We were discussed sort of things, tips for the jam session, significance and importance of the jam, and do's and don'ts we were discussed, and advantages of the jam also very important. You can show your language skills and create good first impression. That is the advantage. The jam with creating good first impression and good impression is the purpose of jam important. You can get an entry into the next rounds. If you speak fluently, if you speak thoroughly, you can go for the next round for a selection. You can exhibit your communication skills also, how you are communicated, how you are good at communicating. Go on it, you are speaking it without giving pauses, without repeating, without mistakes, you are go on speaking. The ability will be, so you can use this is a way. Next, you can establish that you are the most suitable candidate for that post. You feel that you establish it in the topic. So some topics to be practiced for the jam session well in advance. If you sometimes these anticipated topics, I'm not sure that you may get these points or not, but these are the often frequently asked topics. to be practiced. Global warming. The present problem is global warming. Everyone is facing the increasing temperature is called as global warming. You prepare on it. The business ethics also important. While doing business, how you valuably are doing with it's important. And India's money in Swiss bank role of that's one point. The role of technical education towards making in India is also next point. You can go to practice it. And favorite star, your favorite star and favorite leader also may be topic to be prepared. Green revolution. What do you mean by green revolution is also anticipated topic, expected topic. Bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh and India and divide as Andhra and Telangana. This is also important topic. So this is enough for friends. Thank you very much for listening. My class is enough for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. End of the show. So అయిపోయింది.